Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Brendon McCullum supports Anderson's late arrival amidst Pakistan series. Sports Games. England's head coach, Brendon McCullum, supports bowling coach James Anderson's late arrival in Pakistan as he participates in a golf championship. Anderson maintains contact with the team despite missing early test preparations. England takes on Pakistan, starting from Multan in the ICC World Test Championship. England's head coach, Brendon McCullum, has defended legendary pacer-turned-bowling coach James Anderson's choice to delay his arrival in Pakistan due to his participation in the Alfred Dunhill Links Championship in Scotland. The 42-year-old Anderson, who transitioned from player to coach this test summer, opted to partake in the Pro-Am golf event, consequently missing the pre-series preparations for the ongoing three-test series in Pakistan. According to Wisden, Anderson plans to join the team on October 8, aligning with the second day of the first test in Multan. Despite his physical absence, Anderson has kept open lines of communication with England's pacers, a group now spearheaded by seasoned veteran Chris Woakes and supported by emerging players like Atkinson and Brydon Carse. Addressing the situation on Sky Sports, McCullum quoted Wisden, asserting, "2 months ago, you guys were saying he did not deserve to be the coach. Now we are missing him. That is affirmation of how good an impact Jimmy Anderson has made in the short period of time during his transition from player to coach." McCullum further explained, "We live in a world where you can still communicate without being face-to-face." He emphasized that Anderson's move from a top-tier bowler to a coaching role, though not full-time, represents a significant shift in his illustrious career spanning over 2 decades. England currently ranks 4th in the ICC World Test Championship standings, with Pakistan, positioned 8th, hosting the tightly contested series. The first test commenced today, with Pakistan winning the toss and opting to bat.